sharpness of intelligence. All of us have intelligence, everybody has intelligence. But it becomes like the butter knife, it doesn't sometimes cut even banana. It is not so sharp. So our intelligence needs to be sharpened. It needs time and again some work. See, in teenage and then as youth and when we grow further in our life, is our intelligence become sharper? Are we become more precise in our expression and perception? These are some questions we need to ask ourselves. And one way to get all three is breathing exercise, pranayama. Pranayama, Sudarshan Kriya, can make your mind so sharp like a laser beam.
It is said, the first sign of intelligence is not to say anything. The second sign of intelligence, since if we have lost the first sign, second sign is not to say anything unless a question is asked. So in this country, almost all scriptures begin with a question. Unlike elsewhere in the world, here we always encouraged the spirit of inquiry. The basis of science is spirit of inquiry. And basically in the Orient, we always encourage, you should ask questions. We never say, no, don't ask questions. We say, ask questions. So now, as intellectuals, we do have questions. Being a desert is giving you great joy, and there is a beginning to it, there is an end to it. How much dessert can you eat? Suppose you enjoy eating ice cream, one ice cream will give you joy, two becomes well manageable, the third one becomes miserable, the fourth one is really torture. If you are asked to have four, by the time your mouth has become numb. It doesn't taste. Whatever gave you joy as one, when it became four, started giving you misery. And he says, who is really intelligent is one who knows that anything that comes from external stimuli is going to cause misery. It has a beginning and it has an end. Similarly, you enjoy someone's company and then just suppose you are locked up in a room with that person for the next 10 months, I'm sure you will beat your chest and your head to get away from that. You can't tolerate them, however good they have been. Unless you are a Brahmajnani, you are stable and centered, established in your spirit, then nothing matters to you. Because you are not looking for joy or happiness to come to you from that situation or that person. You are a giver rather than a beggar. The intelligent person is not begging for happiness, is a giver of happiness.